Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options at the very bottom, and as you can see at the top, this time we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here our device will highlight the things which will remove or reset basically, so the same as in the title of this option. So let's simply tap on reset settings, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So tap on reset settings if you are ready. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.